How once again make it. Yeah, I'm a tune in a Skinny.
Yeah.
I'm a tune,
he
boy.
really gets...
No, Skinny.
You know, those tunes are always, I find, they end up being sort of creepers. So they always start off like, where is he going with this and that? And then eventually you get the idea. Because, I mean, for me, I always want persons to eventually get what I felt when we were in the studio doing it. And sometimes that takes a while. Because it takes a while for me too. Because I would have a rhythm for a minute, a month or two, playing around with an idea, and I don't like it. And then eventually I like the same idea that I don't like.
And run with it.
But at least you have it there and not just scrap it.
Right. So that's how it is sometimes.
Crazy.
So that process happens for artists the same way it would happen for the audience.
Listeners, yeah.
How do you separate, writing for yourself, or now you have music that you may write and you'll say, I'm sure you say, well, this song's like this person, but I mean if people come to you and say, listen, Skinny, I need a track that is up like that, or whatever description that you say.
I know, right? But you see, I don't like to consider myself a writer for hire. So it's all about the creative circle who are part
and
of
the relationship.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So in the case of like a Marshall Montana, I think for the most part, I kind of understand sometimes what direction he would want to go with it. So I don't need to consult.
Oh, it's understood.
Yeah. So
it's
like,
part of the circle, so you know.
It's
so
the
it's
relationship.
So like with the, for instance, in a case like Dr. Mashup, after hearing the road march bacchanal from George, I already know, okay, we need to say a little something about it. You know what I mean? It wasn't a case where he came to me and say, okay, do this. It was a case, okay, all right, part of this
you thing, got this.
We need to handle this. Let me handle this.
But this is the original Skinny, This is the original Skinny.
Oh yeah. You're referring to what other Skinnies?
Yeah, but you are the original Skinnies of all Skinnies in the music.
No, you see, I'm just this Skinny who probably made it big first. I'm not even sure because, and I mean, everybody has a story between when you heard them first and when they started.
Yeah, true.
So big up to Skinny Banton.
Yeah, correct.
A very talented Grenadian artist. And I'm very happy that this is a year that he got the shine that he deserved, because it's a long time he doing his thing too.
But it's weird that he's Skinny with Ras too.
Exactly.
Skinny,
one from Grenada, one from
very important.
Vincent.
Like you know Skinny doing it a while.
Yes.
Skinny Bantam, that is.
Yes.
Correct.
Right? A lot of people don't know that.
Yeah.
No, he has been.
No, I'm telling you.
No,
like
they think he's new. They think he's very
regular
new.
listener.
They
They'll
think
be
he's
like,
very new.
he's from Grenada, first time, brand new.
Yeah.
But these people been doing it.
For a long
They've been
time.
doing it. So you have Skinny Banton, you have Skinny Fabulous.
Well, Skinny is Inception, because I mean, my first time ever seeing who is Skinny was I Don't Miss Soca Monarch.
Right.
And I remember specifically, I can't remember the name of the song, but you brought out these huge characters.
Right.
Like monsters.
Right.
On
The
stage.
Beast Let Go.
Yes.
The
You
Beast
see?
Let Go. Yeah.
And I was like, who the hell is this man?
Skinny different on stage, boy.
Yes.
And I think
Skinny
and
Fabulous
and
different on
from
stage,
there
right?
I was very interested, and then I found out that you were involved in UE and all these things you were studying at that time. I mean, I don't want to show your age.
Yeah.
But I mean, it was
But
that's where I was introduced to who was Skinny Fabulous.
Yeah, I mean, we've been doing it for a minute. I mean, my introduction to Trinidad came in 2008 with a song called Head Bad, which was followed by Beast Let Go, then Charge Up. Like about got your result. And then we went into things like 6:30. I am the general. Then we went into things like I behave in the worst. Thank God it's Friday. Watch thing when the lights go. It's like real. Just every year we're doing we thing. We're making we contribution. And the good thing is that I think Trinidad, they don't even study that I am not from here. It's just like,
we
that's
like
part of it, yes.
Skinny
Reach.
Yeah, right. Cool. We can play that.
Yeah.
And you're a cool one too, Skinny.
Yeah.
You're a real cool one.
Yeah, I try.
Do you ever get that you have an intimidating space, like aura times?
Sometimes.
How you deal with it?
Well, it's hard to deal with, especially you see sometime in St. Vincent especially, because what happens is if the perception of you is that you are a big artist, when you step inside of a room, they think you are stepping in there thinking you are a big artist.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you just step in the room like any other person would step in there. So because they
your confidence,
that you are this big artist, they think, well, okay, watch them, you feel these are big artists. And they don't know how to say hello. Just a simple thing as, hey, what's going on?
For
they
real?
don't even know how to say that sometimes.
Okay. No, you're not saying all the
Sometimes.
time. Yeah,
Sometimes.
understood.
You know what I mean? But is the important thing to understand, and it works both ways. I'll explain this. We are humans, so we are most of us, we are approachable. We're not going to be like, hey, don't talk to me, don't say hello. Don't say hi, I appreciate your music. Which human would not appreciate a compliment like that? Right? So in the same way, to understand that we are humans, which means you can approach us kind and polite and say whatever you need to say, and we're going to respond very kind same way. But in the same time, it have sometimes where like you might be eating, right?
Time and place everything.
Chicken in your mouth and everything.
Come now, man.
You understand?
Come now, man.
Your food in your mouth.
What is Subway? Your Subway in your mouth.
Right.
Yeah.
Your thing on your chin, thing on your beads. And then at that point, somebody would just rush you and they wouldn't ask and say, hey, I know you're eating, could you please?
Yeah.
Or when you're finished.
Yeah.
And your face full. Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, well, hey, miss, just give me 1 second, let me chew
I'm really
this.
hungry. I didn't eat for the entire day.
It's just things like that. So we're humans any which way.
And Skinny, I could understand that and relate to that, you know.
Yeah.
Even me too sometimes with, all you know, let me be real, right? I don't even want to be eating. I just have a bad day, listen, I don't want to hear nothing from nobody, you know.
Right.
Yeah.
I just want me time, I don't hear nothing.
But sometimes, people won't understand that. But it's make up or break up, so you're on the state side. So you want to make up or break up. This is, look how we go laughing, because you know what time it is. It's a serious thing.
Right.
So we diving in. This is a relationship show, right?
Right.
We talk about those who want to make up, those who want to break up. Now,
Put on your camera there.
right? Now, I have seen a few pictures of you and my friend Rachel Price together.
Yeah. Right.
Are you all in a relationship? I know you all know each other years. But are you in a relationship with her or anyone we want to know?
No, far from.
But you're just remain as, I know you're like really good friends.
You know what I underestimated? I underestimated the fact that persons would see her as a comedian and know this is just jokes. I just thought it would be like so obvious that these two guys are moving around.
Ray, she don't post man just so.
Skinny.
Ray, she don't post man just so.
I know, but I am an exceptionally handsome
right, so that's why we have to ask.
No,
I have to post
the next thing. Wait, remember he's not from here, so you probably don't know. So let's explain. In Trinidad and Tobago, right? Not even a picture, Skinny. You and Whitney moving, you and Whitney in thing.
We just they catch us talking too long.
Then thing.
Then something.
Yeah. And I kept wondering why they keep coming to me with the Rachel Price and Rachel Price.
That's what it is.
I my on a station, right? And in the morning, somebody calling, ask him what's going on with he and Rachel. What? We talking about up and up. What are we doing?
It's like bacchanal.
Yeah, it's pricey. I am up. It's pricey. I am up.
Yeah. So you and Price, you're just real cool. That's just a string.
We have absolutely nothing beyond a platonic relationship.
Yeah.
Make a Pricey. Price is a cool one, man.
So are you in a relationship? I mean, asking for the fans here.
Of course, I have relationships all over. Very good relationships.
Skinny, what are you doing? What is happening? What is happening here?
We come to give them
hell, yeah.
Give them hell. Whenever you hear the gong shell, everybody.
So is it that you're saying that you have relationships throughout the Caribbean?
I just giving you good content.
No, you be careful. It's Trinidad. It's Trinidad.
Yeah.
But how do you, if you do have one, deal with, you're out there across the world, not just Trinidad, across the world?
First of all, the person who, and like, when you're with an artist, and maybe I should speak for myself.
Yes.
You have to have a certain level of tolerance, a certain level of elasticity when dealing with what an artist like myself would go through. Because I tend to be a social butterfly. And so if I come into this room and I find Whitney that chain looking nice, I would say, hey, I find your chain looking nice, and I will be friendly with you, but not because I trying to advance or whatever.
Correct.
No, the person you would need to understand that and know that this is just how you use
They wouldn't understand us, Skinny. They're going to say you're flirting with Whitney.
Flirting with Whitney.
Right.
Because you know Whitney.
She
like you. And she only want to talk to you because you're this
skinny,
and that.
yeah.
Exactly. So I have found myself with someone who
very
has,
nice.
eventually. gotten to that place.
Oh, okay, good.
No, because it's easier said than done.
No, it's work.
It's easier said than done, and every girl starts off the same, which is
it's cool.
Yeah, no, of
it's
course,
normal. I understand.
I know this is your job. Come on, no.
I'm a cool like cucumber.
Yeah, for the first 6 months, blue ticks are okay. No, I know you was busy. I know you didn't have the time to respond. After 7 months, I know to say give me a blue tick. Oh gosh. The blue ticks were fine.
Yeah, so why not? But I will hear what I'll say. I'll rate that you're saying that, eventually she came. Where you? Yeah. That at least she came around and you had the patience to stick it through. Yeah. Because, it's a quick thing to say, yo, I real good.
Yes.
Ease him up. Yeah. But that's good to know, though. So, ladies, he's off the market.
But...
Skinny's gonna be like, what the hell?
Right now we come to give them hell. Yeah, give them hell. Yo, whenever you hear the conch shell, everybody shout.
Skinny's voice.
Wait. What does Skinny? Does remind me of Bounty,
Nah, boy, it's crazy.
Nah, Skinny.
Powerful boy.
Skinny, just say boom.
Boom.
Hear that?
Can you say the awo?
Awo. Right now we come to get them. Right now we come to give them hell. Give them hell. Whenever you hear the conch shell, everybody shell. Everybody shell. Everybody shell. Everybody shell. On point. People only jumping up like conch shell in the place. Y'all them only walking up with conch shell in the face. Walking up and juking up like conch shell in the waist. We don't want it slow. Tell you what, tell me what you want. You want the party start. You know you love the soca from the bottom of your heart. Tell me what you want. You want the party start. You want to wish up all the stadium on the park. Right now we come to kid them. Kid them. Whenever you hear the conch shell, everybody shell. Shell it. Everybody shell it. You know what I'm saying? I wanna name the boom performance. Right now we come to keep them hell. Yeah, keep them hell. Whenever you hear the conch shell, everybody shell. Shell it. Everybody shell it. Everybody shell it. Everybody shell. When I stick stage God, when I come get. Yeah. Hands on your head and wine. Hands on your head and wine. Hands on your head and wine. Get up. Y'all know why you push back, push it back, push back, give me walk. How why you push back, push it back, push back, give me walk. How why you push back, push it back, push back, give me walk. How why you push back? Hey, say y'all come wind up on me body. How why you wind up on me body? Baby, come wind up on me body. How why you wind up on me body? Hey, y'all wind up on it on, wind up on it on, y'all wind up on it on, wind up on it on, y'all wind up on it on, wind up on it on, y'all wind up on it on. Yeah, I tell this girl that she should come, stop playing games and give me some. I know that you want me, you're behaving naughty. I see you snort me and winding up in the party. I love how you talk on your tick, and you're not really fat but you tick. Feel like you take out the whip, put me hand on your hip and you give you a hat. Got your winding sick, and your waistline quick. Got your hold on sick. Yeah. Tell her why you push back, push it back. Push back to me walk. Hey.
Do it for Subway.
Energy. No one is at the job.
Energy.
Chop. We be having, we be having rank. We dirty, we paint, we muddy. We not afraid of nobody. Go tell them it's no manners at all. Just put up your hand on your flag and just take out your bag. If you're mad and you're mad and you're bad and you're bad, you're madder than your mom or your dad. Oh, like a girl, if you can, you woman, you charm. Every girl, everybody, every steal, everybody. Somebody say, the roof is on fire. We don't need no water. I said the roof.
The
roof is on fire. Oh, so call 911. The party burn down. The party burn down.
Will!
The roof is on fire.
C'est ça, boy! C'est ça, boy! C'est ça, boy!
Subway.
Skinny family!
Call 911. The party burn down. The party burn down. The party burn down. Somebody call the fire truck. The party burn down. The party burn down. The party burn down. I see them lighters. Bacon, lighters. Bacon, I say lighters. Bacon, lighters. Bacon. You see them fancy flags? That one here for Sun bring sign. Yeah, Vincy people. Nobody no bad like Vincy people.
Man!
Nobody no man like Vincy people. I said, watch it them with trample out your vehicle. The Vincy people.
Before the sun goes down.
See that? Wanna big up Casey on this one. Precision Productions.
Bad.
Before the sun goes down. You think I'm crazy? I don't care. Before the sun goes down. Before the sun goes. Before the sun goes. Before the sun goes. Yeah. Everybody start to jump up in excitement. Plenty excitement. Big flags over my head. And water like high jump. My lamb is not ticking. My good not sticking. Calm down. Calm down.
Oh gosh, no.
Calm down.
No.
Calm down. Ladies, get some paper towel.
Hey.
Get a little washcloth or something.
When did them the lights out? I go outside. I go outside. Them the lights.
After we take off Netflix. Turn me up now. So when the lights go down and everyone's sleeping and there's no one around, girl, you know what I'm thinking. Whenever you finish with the clubbing, are you gonna come to the mansion? Are you gonna stop with the teasing? Baby girl, you know that I want some boom. I just wanna wind your body. I just wanna wind your body down. I just wanna give you some loving. I just wanna flex and put it on. Drop your things, don't worry. Just a little wine, me, I beg you now. I just wanna wine up. When the lights go down, wine every wine to the ground. Wine every wine to the ground. When the lights go down, I say bubble every bubble to the sound. Bubble every bubble to the sound. When the lights go down, just love how your bumper surround. Love how your bumper surround. I miss the time for your come put it down. When the lights go down,
Sean! Sean!
Remember this?
Are you mean what's this?
From night till morning, we believe in go we head back.
Win. Subway! Let me go again.
They call me a semi-automatic hit-making machine. Tell them from night till morning, we not leaving cause we heard bad. Hear me now, this strong rum calling, and we drinking cause we head bad. What cause me head bad? Now every girl start jump up on the spot, on this one start. On the spot, on this one start. Jump up on the spot, on this one start. Wait, on this spot, on this spot. Last year I made money, this year I make more money. Last year I was happy, this year I feel more happy. Some boy tell them he don't want no one woman, all he want is plenty woman. But this year I happy, I want one girl. Tell them cause my bills done paid, I can't have gas, plus I have health and strength and nobody can stress me. Happy. My bills done paid, I can't have gas, plus I have health and strength so nobody can stress me. Happy. My life is happy. I'm more than I am living it. Happy. And I'm singing it no. I'm not giving it all. So we don't got no time with them if you're feeling bless. Jump up and say yes if you're feeling bless. Walk out and beat your chest if you're feeling blessed. Tell them if you're feeling blessed. Hands up and say yes and we tell them happy. My life is happy. And I'm more than I am drinks in my cup happy. And the girls are walk up happy. And I'm behind the truck so happy. And I don't give a damn about this and I don't live.
Yo, don't stand up straight.
Don't stand up straight. Don't stand up straight. Boom. Yo, got a big out for you. Bend your back, bend your back.
No.
Hold on. Whitney.
Oh.
You see the shoot? It's about part we're skinny. Right? Start to spread like if it's Beanie Man. Listen.
Got a big out for you.
Bend your back. Bend your back. Bend your back.
Oh, girl. Flip,
Bend your back, girl. Whitney, listen, listen.
The way how she diggy, dang, and with fashion and style like she from London, and she flip and she head like she from Hong Kong. She know what the whole album, she want one song. Bust a wine pan a random man. Show them you have the bad bam bam. Quality, you know in a man gang bang, but she still want it long. Oh, the place it hot.
Oh, yes, it is.
Oh, the place it hot.
Real hot.
I said the place it hot. I said the place it hot. So I just want take it off, take off something.
Fire.
Tuesday, when Skinny said take off something.
Plenty hot. Oh, the place it hot. I said the place it hot. Oh, the place it hot.
Tell them.
Take it off, take off something. Take it off, take off something. Take it off, take off something. And throw it up in the air. Take it off, take off something.
Skinny.
Take it off, take off.
I want you to watch Whitney. Sing this part of the tune for Whitney now.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
I want to get naked. I feel to get naked. Girl, you're looking sacred. Woman, somebody. I want to get naked. And you're looking tasty. Then come on, me. Take it off, take off something. Take it off, take off something. Take it off, take off something. Show it up in the air. Take it off, take off something. Take it off, take off something. Take it off, take off something. And show it up. So when the place get hot, take off your hat. And when the DJ start work, you just take off your shirt. And if you don't have a clue, then take off your shoe. And if you don't have a rag and a flag in your hand, then everybody, this is what you must do. Everybody start. Take it off, take off something. Take it off, take off something. Take it off, take off something. Throw it up in the air. Take it off, y'all. Take off something. Take it off, take off something. Take it off, take off something. Somebody say I would.
Oh, this is all they want half an hour. Okay.
Oh, no.
You want speed?
Okay. Tell them, as I was still always a movie. Plenty sexy girl looking groovy. It's like so much of them I'm choosy. My God, they got them unruly. And when I reached the bar, I met Susie. Then she introduced me to Rudy. She showed me something to control me. If I say what I see, they might sue me. One look and I chant in one thing until it's done. It's the way they girl and love do it and carry on. Run the make up their face, wind back and start to perform. Make me put on me and pan me and like me just get hard. Make me jump and sing. Glass the one body balancing. Whining in and out of time, me just spread out and go like cake when I sing. When the bubble and start back it up, make the thing explode if it up. Oh Lord, I am tempted to touch when them legs apart and them open it up and say,
I am weak.
Skinny!
This party I plenty thing. It's the right time now. Somebody say yes.